Hi, Steve Norton, anxiety specialist here. So, one of the questions I get asked all the time is, how come no matter what, Steve, you are able to remain positive, chilled out, despite whatever's going on in the world at any given time? So, I'm going to answer that now. I'm going to give you the complete and utter answer. I use a thing called logic, and it's something I developed a few years ago. And it's something that I teach my clients now. And what it is, it's basically a simple technique, which means that you can actually think about 90% less than what you currently do. So at the moment, you're probably thinking far, far too much about everything, which is why you can't sleep at night. It's why you can't switch off. That's why you're irritable. That's why you've got brain fog. It's because you're actually thinking 90% more than what you have to. All that what if, all that yes but stuff that goes on in your mind, you can actually delete all that stuff when you start to use the logic process. And to give you a little bit of an example, what happens is every time I make a decision, it's very, very much black and white. It's, does it take me towards my goals? Does it take me away? And it's cultivating that self-discipline of using that process with a hell of a lot of my thinking. I don't need to know about all these other extra things going in my mind, extra chatter. I can just delete all that stuff and stick to the logic. And that's only one part of it. Logic is an incredible thing to learn, and it really does revolutionize the way you live your life and the way you think and feel once you start using logic. And that's why I've got so much more energy than the average person, because I'm not bogged down with constant analysis and overthinking that literally drains the system of you. So if you're interested in learning logic, it is actually part of my rapid anxiety elimination program. So I'll leave a little link there. So if you're interested, check that out. And you can learn logic too. And you can stop wasting so much time and energy on overthinking about things that in reality will probably never ever happen. So check the link out below and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.